Welcome back, guys, to eTech Reviews. We got a fantastic video. We got the new Anker Soundcore Life Q30s direct from pre-order. These are a budget yet high quality pair of noise canceling headphones from Anker. They've been popping out great wireless earbuds recently, and they have come back, and you can see right on here, high res sound, 2 mics, 40 hours, 5 hours, 4 hours for 5 minutes of charge, fast pairing, and your noise canceling. So let's take a quick look inside. These are highly anticipated. I pre-ordered these from their website. They've been doing great in the industry right now. And honestly, there's nothing but more great product. So here we got a nice Soundcore case. It's almost like that leatherette type feel. It definitely has protection, so you can keep your headphones in here if you're not wearing them. No issues throwing them into your bag. And first impressions of these headphones, they are really nice. They have a nice gloss finish to them with their symbol on the sides. They say that you can either use NFC with Android on that ear cup to pair, or you can just put your also put your hand over that section there for about 2 seconds to switch between noise canceling and transparency mode, which is nice. These do have transparency mode. Usually it's just noise canceling or off. But just like the fancier Bose and Sony's and the AirPods, you have transparency, normal, and noise canceling. They do have a nice, also faux type leather on the top strap as well, and it feels very nice. Now, some of the cables that we have a regular 3.5 millimeter, so if you want to plug that in directly into a computer or a device. And also nice to see on a budget build is USB-C. That's what's going to enable you to have faster charging, which is also very nice. And then we're going to go through quickly the feature set as to what's in the physical directions here. So this is just your generic, how do we sound? You can go give them a rating. But at this time, guys, I want to say please like the video if you're enjoying it. It's hard getting new products as a new YouTube channel, but I'm doing my best to get as many products as I can for you guys. So just to quickly go through, there's a Soundcore app, download on iOS. There is a charge button. Powered on and off, you just click a button. It's all physical buttons. For 3 seconds, you'll turn it on. Pair it to your headphones. It should show up as Life Q30s, no random names. It's cool, you can pair multiple headphones. If you have NFC, you can do that. There is a physical button for noise cancellation. You can press it on or off. Transparency, again, hold it over your ear. And you get your standard answer, phone calls, skip, forward, pause, all that good stuff. All physical buttons. And you can reset your headphones too if there's any issues. But that's basically it. And again, just to look at the call quality, these do feel very nice. They feel solid. It's good plastic. The whole headband strap is actually made of metal too. Nice, large foam padding on the ear cups. And again, you can see the quick, shiny metal there. It feels very nice. It feels premium for what you're paying. They call out right versus left. You can see the charge port there for power and the power button, and then the noise canceling button just below that. It is plastics on the side, but there's no creaking when you put on your head and you turn your head left, right. You don't hear muffling and creaking of materials. And the foam pads are very large too. Here you see you got your volume up and down and your pause and play, where you would plug in your 3.5 millimeter jack. It's all right there, clearly defined, identified. I wore these for hours. They feel great. The audio feels fantastic. I'm not going to go through the app, but you have your EQ settings in there. It pairs perfectly with Spotify, all your devices for playing audio. And I actually really like the sound. And I'm pretty impressed with these headphones overall. Later, I'm going to go over the specs as I go through a final review of the items. But for now, these are fantastic. They're under $100. They do everything you need. When you turn on the power, you'll see that little flashing LED, so you can confirm that it's connected or powering off, all that good stuff. And just to show you what happens, all you have to do is over the right ear cup, hold your hand there for about 2 seconds, and boom, you switch from noise canceling to normal. Do it again, boom, you're back to noise canceling. Hey guys, this is Mike using the Life Q30s to record this audio. And this is how it would sound if I were to call you on the phone using these headphones. All right, guys, time for the final review. We're going to be looking at the Life Q30s for $80. I'm going to give this an engineer's score of a 3.97 out of 5, basically a 4 out of 5. And let me quickly go through each item and why I get those scores there. Price. Again, this is under $100. We went over the features. We went over the quality. I think for what you're getting for a wireless noise canceling set of headphones, under $100, considered a budget build, but with huge quality for audio, comfort, build quality, and what you're getting for that price, I think it's fantastic at under $100. Build quality, it's not the same materials as the premium ones with the Bose and the Sonys, but you do have the metal head strap over the top. You also have solid buttons. The clicks you feel them. There's no little give. Everything's well done. And I'm actually pretty impressed with the quality of the ear pads and the little foam right above the head strap there. Value, again, you're getting everything that you need. It's slightly less in terms of overall quality for everything from one of the Bose or the Apple AirPod Pros. It's all of those features, the noise canceling, the comfort, just slightly diminished. But it's for under $100, you're getting something very close to what the top-notch headphones give. Again, the way in which we hear, the way in which noise canceling works, the way our ears process this information, it's so slight. And the algorithms they're using, it's very, very close. It's not at the top, but if the bars were next to each other, it'd be just below. Traveling, the noise canceling is not the same. It's close, but it's not the same as any of the Bose or the Sony XM4 1000s. So I'm going to give that a lower score for travel. I would not be buying these for noise canceling for travel. Gaming, 100%, I would not be wearing these for gaming. They are comfortable, but you're not going to be able to wear these, personally, I don't think, for hours upon gaming. Again, also noise canceling. Sometimes I like to turn that on during gaming, help me to kind of hear the game a little better position-wise. And again, it's just not at that level. Quality, it's got to be very bad. They have 2 mics. You listened to the audio earlier. It is not up to standard. I don't believe you should ever use this for phone calls. I don't even know why they have mics, honestly. That's something that can be greatly improved. And also, that would be a huge improvement if they can add either an extra 2 mics or just upgrade the mics in general. Noise canceling, they give you a bunch of modes, which is great. So you can say if you're in transport or traveling, or if you're indoors or you're outdoors, there's slight variations of how they let the sound in. It's a nice feature to have. The overall noise canceling isn't up to the highest values in terms of those higher products from Sony and Bose, Sennheiser, but it's good for what you're getting. Battery, it's standard. 40 hours is great. 5-minute charge, giving you 4 hours. It uses USB Type-C. I'm all for it. It's a great battery. No issue there. The Soundcore app, just some great items about it. From turning the app on your phone and then turning on the actual headset, 5 seconds for it to recognize in the app, which is great. The number one thing is the sound quality. You have the ability to do EQ. The EQ works great as well. No issues there. And it does everything else that you would really want for a very bare bones app. You can change the way it sounds. You can change the way the noise canceling works right from the app. One item is that it does pause audio and it does say, hey, you're now on normal mode. Hey, you're on noise canceling mode. So that's one issue where you can't get it to not pause. It has to pause and tell you what's happening. Sleep mode, I have no use for that, but if someone wants to wear these while they're asleep, it's a great noise machine. And finally, cool factor, I think what you're getting for $80 is totally worth it. You're going to be using these for your music and for slight travel, but you're not going to be using these if you're on a train every day to work or if you're taking a plane every day to work. These are just a great pair of wireless headphones that can make your listening experience a little bit greater, and you're paying less than $100. So my recommendation, I'm going to say that these are great. The noise canceling is great for what it is. The audio is fantastic for what it is. It's got way more bass than some of the Bose that I've tested. It's almost on par with Sony, even possibly a little higher. Comfort, it's great for what it is. They use good materials on there, and the build quality feels great. The construction feels great. The buttons are solid. USB-C. It's got everything you need. So I'm going to say that for now that these are the best noise canceling headset that you can get for under $100. And that's it for the review, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. Hopefully I can bring you some more gear from Anker, Soundcore, and just any other audio products as well. Again, please like and subscribe, guys, and thank you again.